Welcome to Cheen's Art Channel. Subscribe and join the colorful with me. Hi everyone, I'm Cheen. Welcome back to the channel. This is part number 4 of my special series, DIY Christmas Decor, 9 Simple Holiday Canvas Ideas. Today, we're painting a sweet and cozy snowman on a mini canvas. This design is wonderfully calm and simple to paint, and it's a perfect piece of winter decor that you can keep up all season long. We'll be focusing on using simple circular shapes and some light blending to make our snowman look soft and dimensional. Grab your paints and your mini canvas. All set? Let's start painting. Our Cozy Snowman painting is complete. I love how the simple shapes and bright blue background really make this a joyful piece of winter art. Don't forget to let your finished painting dry completely before handling or hanging it up. Remember, acrylics are all about practice, so just enjoy the process. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check out the full playlist for the other 8 simple holiday canvas ideas. Next up, we are painting a beautiful quick sparkly Christmas tree. You can find the link to the playlist and the next video right in the description box below. Thank you so much for painting with me today. I hope you have a wonderful, creative day. I'll see you in the next video.